Sir Lloyd Guzman, here's a little something for you. Love, researchers. Okay, thank you so much for this token of appreciation. Token of appreciation. Yes, siguro buksan natin para sabay-sabay nating makita. Na-surprise naman ako ang magagaling na napaka generous pa. Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong laman nito para natin tawag nito unbox. Basta salamat ha. Okay, so ito na. Baka mapapasigaw ako nito. Dooby-dooby-doo, be-dooby-doo. Wow, I like the color, tumbler. Okay, so once again, thank you so much, Hydro Fresh. Okay, sabi ko nga, napakagaling na ng mga researchers na ito, napaka-generous pa, no? So once again, thank you so much for inviting me as your one of your panelists. Okay, God bless.